right, so we are going to discuss customer accessibility and awareness right now. Let's go to Capsim. Promo budget and sales budget, they affect the customer accessibility and awareness. So we need to look into these and read them to understand how we can increase our awareness and accessibility. So awareness is affected by promotion budget, and accessibility is affected by sales budget. So let's look at promo budget. As you see here, this is the most important thing that you need to read. So if you have only one product in each segment, your first 1 million increases awareness about 22%. Your second million adds another 23%, and the third million only another 5%. So you need to make sure that when you invest after thinking correctly of how are your financials doing. You should not invest too much and you don't have money. If you don't have money, you should go and check the finance tab. You can get there some long-term loans or some stock. They can help you with the finances for this. Okay, so one thing you need to know is that your awareness and accessibility percentage drops by 1/3 every round. So at the beginning of each round, your accessibility and awareness drop by 1/3. So you need to make sure that you keep on investing. You cannot stop investing in promo budget and sales budget. You have to always invest. So until you reach to your goal, which is around 100%, you need to invest in promo budget. You need to invest. I recommend investing 2 million. So that means you are increasing by every round. You increase about 45%. So you increase your awareness by 45%. But then you lose also, you lose 1/3, right? You lose 1/3 because each round you lose 1/3 of your awareness and accessibility. So it's gonna take you about 3 to 4 rounds to get over 90%, which is totally okay. It's not a problem. But why I'm saying don't invest the third million for the 5%, because I think it is a waste of money. Like, this million can be counted for you as profit, and it could actually affect your profit, because in the beginning you're not gonna be making a lot of profits, and this might affect your profit percentage. In the previous video in balance scorecard, I discussed that in the first round you need to make at least 7 million in profit. So imagine that you got 6 million in profit. If you did not invest this million in here, you would have gotten 7 million in profit probably. So this is a cost that you incur and takes out from your profit. So it could benefit you in terms of profit in the beginning. So I don't recommend investing it. I only recommend investing 2 million in the beginning, and keep it at 2 million. Keep it at 2 million until you reach to the desired amount, and then when you reach to your desired goal, which is 100% awareness, you can decrease this to 1,400,000. So you invest 2 million in everything. 2 million here is 2,000. So you put 2,000 means 2 million. So you put 2 million, 2 million, 2 million, 2 million, and this basically will give you 45% awareness every round. But then also it decreases by 1/3. So so it's okay. And that until you do this until you get to 100% awareness. And when you get to 100% awareness, you can start doing 1,400 for everything. 1,400 is basically gonna keep 1,400 is basically gonna keep your awareness at 100%. It's not gonna let it go down. This is basically, this equals to the 1/3 that will be taken from your 100%. So you lose 1/3, you add 1/3 by investing 1,400, which is 1,400,000. Okay, so this is promo budget. I hope you got it. If you need more help, just comment and I will answer your questions. Okay, sales budget. For sales budget, again, a reminder, this is for products or for people who have only one product in each segment. So if you have one product in each segment, what you need to do is basically, in the beginning, invest 2 million, because you're not gonna have enough money to invest rapidly. If you do and you managed to invest 3 million in each of them, you're fine. But for us, or for me, what happened is this: we didn't have enough budget to invest 3 million from the beginning, so we were investing 2 million. So if you can invest 3 million and keep on making profit, I mean keep on having your margins very good. You keep your, if you have 3 million and your margins are good, not less than 28% in the beginning, your contribution margin for the product. If it is not less than 28%, then you're good. You should do it. But I don't recommend it if it's less than that, because it's gonna affect your profits and you might end up getting a loss. Okay, so again, sales budget also loses 1/3 of its percent. So you need to make sure that you always invest. So for sales budget, you will never really get to the chance to reach 100% in it, because it's impossible. You see here, it's impossible. Like if you have one product in each segment and then you invest 3 million in each round, it only adds 32%. That's it. So technically, when you reach around 90, you keep on losing. You keep on losing, because if you invest 3 million, you cannot invest more than 3 million if you have only one product. It's diminishing return. Like you will not get any benefit if you invest more than 3 million. So don't do that unless you have multiple products in one segment. Then you can invest 4.5. Okay, but if you don't have except one product, then invest only 3 million. So technically, when you reach to 90%, you lose 1/3. So 1/3 of 90% is 30%. So you lose 30%, and then you add only 32, right? And then by the end, you're gonna reach to a place where you technically cannot reach 100. It's almost impossible. I think it is impossible. I did not calculate it, but I think it is impossible. So we weren't able to reach 100%, but we were the highest in the competition. So so you can invest 2 million, and then when your promo budget reaches around 100%, and at 100%, and you start investing only 1,400,000, and you're making good profits, that time you can start investing 3 million in it, and hopefully you can get it a little bit more up. So this is your promo budget and sales budget. I hope you guys got it. If you have any more questions about this, just please please send me a comment. I will answer all your questions. And please hit a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.